Oh! Yeah. Demon beast of a catapult, and there's me with a twig.
I've come all the way from Oz, mate, because you reckon this is the World Championships.
This might be the best I've ever seen. So we got the phone charging point. All I found is junk. Right, I'm going retro this weekend. Totally not copying Droop's tent, the Phoenix Freak. It's a brand new design, it is.
Yeah.
I don't know how old it is. It's got to be 90s or something. We got Matthew's hotel.
5-star accommodation.
May as well, no?
Ah, innit?
And Rufus got a hotel as well.
Ultra comfort.
Alright, airbed and the cot. This is a new ultralight camping table. You can cook on it, you can stand on it.
Air grade, aluminium.
Jump up and down on it, whatever. And Nathan's shelled out on this beast. Is it the Pioneer too? It's very nice. 2022, 1990 something. So we got the phone charging point, solar panels, Jackery, which is charging up in the shade at 25 at the moment, and it's 10 watts per phone, so that just will not go down at all. I've challenged Jackery this weekend, see if we can charge everyone's phones up in this camp, and there's 30 people. Community camp weekend. This is what I've been sorting out for the last month or two. A few of the boys are turning up, so these are the hardcore people that are camping next to the main stage. We are in the next field.
It's on now, that's it.
Look as if it's ever done. You know, we cut the doctor's outside.
Go on.
You going? You go forward then.
Oh.
Yes.
There we go.
Yeah, no worries.
Whoop whoop. That's more satisfying than I like doing that.
That caveman effect.
Yeah. Posh tent corner.
What a legend of a tent. Big up my Illiberg brothers.
There's the Vango F10 series. Nice tent as well. Very nice. It's all kicking off now, boys and girls. The lads are chilling out now. And then we got some shorts tonight in the cinema.
Oh, thank you.
Is it true it takes 6 people to pull up a Hillberg?
See that as well, right?
You know the hatred coming from me.
Disgusting. There's another little Carreg beer. A hot
Your
tent.
recommendation, man. It was your recommendation.
Oh, is it? That's where you got it?
Yeah,
Awesome, man.
yeah. I do. I love it. I was
Yeah.
looking for a good TP, and you nailed it. The great thing about the cots is you can get stuff underneath it, keep your tent tidy, can't you?
Yeah, that's true. Luxury camping.
Indeed, indeed.
Yo, yo!
Yo, yo.
You caught me with a very discreet cool bag.
That's the only part that's not stealthy. Like.
Yeah.
Right, just hold it up.
Yeah.
And then just bring it down. Knee up. Yeah, that's it. And then what you're going to do is try and make that snake and follow your hand. Ooh, close. Yeah,
That's
you
it.
go.
Wow.
He's got out of here, isn't he?
That's it.
Yeah. Wee. Watch you face up. Wee. Good, son.
Oh, yeah.
Good. Oh, that's a nice whip.
Hey!
Too short.
Do them now, innit? If you want, it's up to you.
Getting busier.
He's gone up in weight.
Hey!
You do shit.
Go on! Crack in the whip now!
Yes! Yeah, should have been moist.
Yeah, I did.
Going to point something.
It's the bottom
9.1
in the same place as the top.
I've come all the way from Oz, mate, because you reckon this is the World Championships. Well, I'm the champion from Australia. Terry the Tinny Trampler. Can't see through the corks.
Oh, that's good.
There's no rules when it comes to
Got the upside down, the Australians.
Rubbish, mate.
Quick shot it.
Resting on this one. No pressure.
Winner, winner.
It's as good as the,
Troopers! Quick, come here! Come here, needs expert opinion.
that's as good as tanks.
This might be the best I've ever seen.
That's as good as tanks.
That's a 9.8 at
Yeah, that's.
This is high.
Oh, yeah.
It needs VAR!
If Carlsberg did can squat.
I'm going to give him 9.7.
That's a 9.8.
No, I'm going to give 9.7.5.
9.75!
This is one I want to win.
Oh, it's a picture.
Oh, it's a bit. It's rigged.
Slingshot. 28. It's not me.
That's my script, isn't it?
177.
Yeah!
Full zero.
176.
176.
176.
That's me again.
Last prize of the night. It's a game you play by swinging your hip.
What is it?
Why is that on?
What's the prize?
It's called Balls Up. 61.
You've got to demo it.
Higher rises up into the frame.
Messier they are, the better.
I think people were busy last night. Half a bread. Yeah. And what's going to turn out like cockles, beans and sausages.
Breakfast, did you call that?
A Welsh breakfast.
Breakfast.
So it's like
Gone for a little morning stroll to freshen my head. There's a few fragile heads there this morning. I think some people want to watch the football. That's on half past 3 this afternoon. I got a few more things in the raffle to give away because there was tons of prizes there, and a bit more can stamping tonight.
Two faces back.
Loads of catapults, yeah.
Huh?
That's the one you won, is it?
Yeah.
That looks good, that does.
It's wicked.
Demon,
Yeah.
It's really good.
demon beast of a catapult. And there's me with a twig.
Yeah, should we go and reset? Go on, do that one. So we did that.
Yeah. God. What else is going on? We've got people in the barn. Got a dead dog. Right, this has been here for 24 hours. Charging everyone's stuff. Let's see how much percentage we got. 79%. It's currently going up by 73. Going down 42, so it's charging. And we got, it's charging a battery. And it's powering this beast of a speaker. The boys have been here for hours, loving the catapults. Look at the state of that.
Apparently metal detectors come here, they're going to be finding a lot of
Yeah. Ruined this field from.
Tried anything like this.
Nice.
That wasn't bad.
Just the whip pack you gotta go for.
Yeah.
By the way, this is Carl, More Than Just a Cleaner. He's got a really good YouTube channel. Go and check him out. He doesn't often get a whip out, I don't think, but
Only on request and for the right price.
been lent the metal detector. Been out there for about an hour, but all I found is junk. Old musket ball and a Roman coin, like that's from 1570 something. And that's even older. Junk. Power check. 36 hours in, they're 96%.
I'm amazed at these.
127.
Me. Hey, nice one.
American football style.
143.
143 for a peg.
143. That's
140.
You got your peg box now, you got it last week.
That's 800 grams, so that must be...
We raised £230 for Man Up Men's Mental Health. And another fiver, there you go. £235. Brilliant.
I'll chuck 20 quid in tomorrow. I'm humbled. I'm absolutely humbled.
Brilliant.
Nice one, Adam.
No worries.
Good brother.
Matthew's on the table for stuff. I think it's heat-proof mat, is it?
Heat-proof mat, yeah.
Hey, you had a few things, didn't you?
I did, yeah. I had 3 presents actually. I had that. I had the pack of Mac. The most
beer.
important part is the beer. So, thank you very much to everyone for that.
We've got a hammock. Everyone's happy. So this is Ken's setup. He's travelled all the way from just after Liverpool, is it?
Cheshire, yeah, one called
Cheshire. To hang out in the woods. Literally hang out.
This is my first top camp. I've been really inspired by Mr. Well, you don't need to tell you who he is. But yeah, it's really inspired
Well,
me.
inspired by me not liking hammocks.
Yeah. No, just the natural get out there and
Yeah.
get connected. Really.
Yeah, that's it.
And what I've done to save buying an under blanket, well at least for now, I've used Reflectix. I've stuck it 2 sheets together so it comes right up to the edge of the hammock on both sides.
Yeah.
And then what I've done is I've got this like bivvy bag that's not zipped, and I've put the foot box over me air mattress, put my sleeping bag sort of like that, shutting that up there, using that as a foot box, and then I'm using the top half as a quilt.
An ounce of these packs. That's great. Lube.
Right, we've got to do something about this mountain that's growing, yeah?
Really?
No.
Bad. Better than that one.
Well, my fruit on the next round or?
Best of 3.
Best of 3.
Oh! Good shot!
That's good. He's winning so far.
That's the winning up tattoo.
He's got to beat this now to stay in the game. You're in. You're in, Nathan. And that guy behind you. Right, so it's 4. 4 people. Only 1 can win. This is the finals. That's nice. Right, keep at now. Keep at. Bill's having to go next. What's he going to choose?
Bill doesn't know which one to go for.
Oh, they could deduct your point, man, because it's only small.
Firecracker.
Oh, not so good. The last man. Can you do it? Do you know what it is? Nathan's the winner! Hey! Top stamper!
Oh, thanks, Dad.
Matt in the tent. Hey! Well, that's it. All good things must end. It's been a cracking weekend, so hopefully we'll do this again. Maybe a Lee's farm again. So keep an eye out on the videos, because that's where I'll be announcing it. Alright, final thoughts on the Jackery. It performed really well that weekend. It did help we had a lot of sun Saturday, but the lowest I saw this get down to is 70%. And this was charging phones, batteries. It powered the projector for the cinema both nights, and it had the speaker plugged into it for most of the weekend. Can't fault it at all. Fantastic thing. And this is now plugged in the corner of my kitchen. I'm just going to charge up our devices on it, seeing as energy prices have gone so crazy. And I'll pull it out in the lawn once a week to charge it up. And I'll put the link below for that. Thank you for checking out that vid. Catch you next time.